Hello and welcome to this video. I will show you how to download Python for your computer. So the first thing you need to do is open up Google or Bing or whatever you use and type in python.org. Now go to the website, and from here go to downloads and choose Windows, Mac, or the other platforms. And when you go to the downloads section, make sure you go to the stable releases as opposed to the pre-releases, as these are more stable and contain less bugs. Go to the Python 3.8.6 as it's the most compatible for what we're doing in these lessons, and make sure you go to download Windows x86-64 executable installer, as the 64-bit is really important and prevents us from getting into other problems. But do check if your machine is 64-bit or 32-bit, as it's really important for you to choose either this one or that one. And once you click on the link, you'll be redirected to download it on your computer, and just we'll go through the installation process. But if you are on Mac, then just it's much simpler. Just go to the Python 3.8.6 one and download the only installer there. And once you do that, you'll have a executable file here, and it wouldn't be exactly here, but for my purposes I am showing it here. And all you really need to do is open it up and make sure you have this button here clicked, because it will cause other problems, which I will show you in the future. And make sure you do install now, because it's just much easier for beginners to do this as opposed to this one, and it really doesn't matter for now and for the future. So just click on this and accept this, and it will just run and download it. This is a trusted file. So now that it's finished installing on your computer, you should close it and go to the Windows search and type cmd, and command prompt will come up. You can also type command prompt, same thing will happen. And all you really need to do is type pip install selenium, and it'll begin to download this library. But I've already downloaded this for my machine, and this is in preparation for the lessons to come. And I will also need you to download install another library called TensorFlow. I will explain what these are for. Don't be afraid if all of this downloads. It's completely safe. It's just downloading a library just to allow you to do extra stuff with Python. And don't worry about this. It's just telling you, this is available. But just, don't worry about it. Another thing that I forgot to mention was that you should keep in mind this path file and like the location and how to get to the Python folder, as it'll be really helpful for when we're moving on to the Visual Studio and how to download that for your computer. Thank you for watching, and in the next video I will show you how to download Visual Studio Code for your computer.